Are you guys tired of using cheap image upscalers or spending upwards of $80 per month on Adobe or even $20 on Canva? Give me 5 minutes of your time and I'm going to show you one of the best online free tools that you can use. So this is Upscale Media. They have a free AI image upscaler. They have a couple tools like a dehaze, deblur, AI sharpen tool, which will increase the quality of your photos for free. So I'll leave a link in the description below for this site, but essentially it's pretty straightforward. You just click and upload the photo that you'd like to upscale. So this is a test photo that I took of my office. And this is a good photo to show you guys the tool, how it works, if it's even worth it. Take it with a grain of salt. It's not the best tool. It's not going to beat a lot of those paid tools in terms of the broad range of tools that they have available. However, for a lot of you beginner blokes and women who are trying to get into photo editing, maybe video editing as well, and you need a free tool to get you by, this is going to be perfect. So the upscale image section, they've got a bunch of options. For a lot of yous, super resolution, which is really just a fast and free upscale. You can upscale by 2, 4, or 8 times. You can also enhance the quality and it'll start to process the image. So once that's processed, it'll give you a slider to view the before and the after. And you can see here, just based on the before, which wasn't bad itself, but there is a few blurry lines here. When you go to the after, it is a lot smoother. It is a lot sharper as well. It has done a little bit to the color correction as well, but just to get a good idea, you know, even from the corner of the desk, it is quite sharper and overall just looks a little bit better. And you can use retouch, enhance features as well. Like I said, the remove motion blur, deblur, dehaze, all those sort of tools to really fine tune it on top of the edits that you've already done in the past. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.